talking about delivery networks, bandwidth and sponsors and advertiser inserts. Everybody's talking stuff so intellectual. Are you a home fry or a metrosexual? Everybody's talking about net neutrality, biodiesel dreams becoming reality. But just for one day, I'm gonna blow all my cares away. I'm gonna rock out on Independence Day. I don't care what the SEC might say. This music's free, you don't owe a dime to me. I'm gonna rock out on Independence Day, no matter what the RIAA say. This music's free, you don't owe a dime to me. Everybody's talking about media's future, time-shifting content, do whatever may suit ya. Everybody's talking about all sorts of rumors, Creative Commons and trusting consumers. Everybody's talking about making a podcast, but there's non-believers who say that it won't last. Well, on the 4th of July,